Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm, and I have another project that I made, and this is just a little project bag, and I actually just put a little piece of jewelry on it too. If you can show you this too, that I do this sometimes with like necklaces and things like that. It just kind of makes it a little bit more fun. I'm working one-handed here so you can see this. So this is just a little project bag that I made. I had a lot of this multicolored yarn. I made socks with it, which you probably saw in a previous video. And I made some bathroom rugs. And I thought I'd make a project bag. In this particular project bag, I have like my elastic and things like that if I want to make homemade masks. So that's what I do. I just have a little bag like this, and then when I go to make a certain project, I just pull out my bag and I can work on that project. And when I get tired of it, I can just hang my bag back up or, put it in a drawer wherever I need it. And I can also take it with me. So, and this one here too, I don't know if I can work one-handed. I don't have to have the crochet handles up. I can just use the jewelry handles. And it is really cute when you go. I did take it out with me one day and it was really cute. It didn't look too funky. So, just a fun little project. So let me know your thoughts. And things like this are fun to do with some of that bright yarn. It's great for the summer and fun for the summer too. So, okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.